No. Okay. Good afternoon. It's still 11 November. This is post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation after hair removal. We won't tell you what machine causes this. And hair removal, if the setting is wrong, you will get hyperpigmentation. And this one has been there for how long?
4 months.
The PIH is 4 months already. Okay, so today we will try to use the Dermablade to save our skin. In the same machine, we will start again. We will start here. You can see smoke coming out. The smoke is vaporized skin. Any pain? No pain. And we try to concentrate on any scar area. In theory, mildly epidermal. Turn sama, turn here. And you can see white dot. Turn sama, turn. Yes. We try to make it even. And that is the vacuum. The sound actually the vacuum.